Don't wait until the alarm sounds to run to Tractor Supply. By then it will be too late. There are 15 specific items extremely cheap but extremely valuable that will disappear immediately when an incident occurs. The mistake of many people is to flaunt them, while the #1 rule is buy quickly and hide them very well. In this video, I not only show you the list of these 15 golden items, but also explain why they are so important that people are willing to trade for them. If you want your family to be safe, don't miss a single second of this video. Before diving into the list of 15 specific items, we need to discuss a crucial concept, OPSEC, which stands for Operational Security. Many people ask me, why keep it hidden? If something happens, shouldn't we help our neighbors? It sounds humanitarian, but in reality, during a crisis, it is much harsher. You need to understand that the information about what you own is also a type of asset. Think about it. You never publicly share your bank password, nor do you put up a sign in front of your door when the whole family goes on vacation. So why let the whole neighborhood know you're stockpiling dozens of cans of fuel or a water filtration system from Tractor Supply? When others know exactly what you have lost control of the situation. Desperation can turn the kindest people into a threat if they know you have what they need. Keeping things hidden is not selfish. It's to protect your ability to offer selective support later. Those who are best prepared often do not speak much, not because they don't want to help, but because they want to help at the right time in the right way. If you find this way of thinking reasonable, please like it, because the next part will go straight into the 15 items at Tractor Supply that can disappear in the blink of an eye, and the reason you should keep them secret. Don't take your eyes off. All right, let's start with the hottest topics. I call this group the Mobile Health Station Group. Why? Because when the public healthcare system is overwhelmed or paralyzed, these items will make you the most powerful person in the neighborhood, or the biggest target. You know, the feeling of standing in line waiting to buy a box of masks during the pandemic was terrible, right? But that's just a mosquito compared to needing to disinfect a wound or handle an infection when the pharmacy has been closed for ages. Tractor Supply is not a hospital, but what they sell in the livestock area is the lifeline that seasoned preppers always quietly stock up on. First dish saline and iodine. It sounds trivial, doesn't it? Like, oh, come on, it's just salt water, what's there to hide? But listen to me, under normal conditions, you could go to CVS or Walgreens and pick up a whole basket. But when the crisis struck, clean water for washing wounds became more precious than gold. At Tractor Supply, they sell large bottles of saline for livestock and concentrated iodine. Many people make the mistake of thinking about Black Friday sales to hunt for TVs or iPhones. Believe me, at that moment, a bottle of 1% iodine would be worth more in trade than an iPhone 15 Pro Max. I remember once going camping deep in the forest, a friend got a cut on his leg from tripping over a sharp rock. At that moment, the tiny bottle of disinfectant I brought along became the most valuable thing for the whole group. If we didn't have it, infection fever, and everything will go downhill extremely fast. So buy the large bottles at Tractor Supply, divide them into smaller ones, and hide them away. Never let anyone see that you have a whole stockpile of primary medical supplies. Next, this is the most controversial but also the most important part: veterinary antibiotics. Remember, I am not a doctor and I do not recommend using veterinary medicine for humans under normal conditions. But we are talking about the gone in a flash scenario, when the doctor doesn't answer and the hospital is locked down. At Tractor Supply, medications like penicillin or oxytetracycline used for livestock often have active ingredients equivalent to those in human medications. When the pharmacies are cleared out within the first 24 hours, people will rush to the agricultural supply stores. If you are slow, you miss the opportunity. If you have it but let it show, you'll see all the neighbors standing in front of your house with not very friendly looks. A strip of antibiotics at this moment is not just medicine, it is life. You see, survival is not just about guns, it's about smart preparation from the smallest things. If you find this knowledge worth your time, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Your support is the motivation for me to continue uncovering secrets that few dare to speak about. Now let's talk about the price of boasting. When you own medical supplies, you automatically become an impromptu medical station. Imagine your neighbor has a small child with a high fever due to an infection, and they know you have medicine. What will you do? Give them and put your own family in danger due to the shortage, or refuse and face the wrath of a desperate father, a mother in despair? This is when OPSEC comes into play. You have to hide these things like hiding gold. Don't leave them in the medicine cabinet in the bathroom scene where any guest can see them when they use the restroom. Put them in sealed boxes, label them falsely, or hide them under the warehouse floor. I have a friend who every time Tractor Supply has a loyalty program, quietly goes around collecting saline and disinfectants. He doesn't keep them in the display case. He puts them in black plastic bins, labels them as old car parts, and stashes them in the most hidden corner of the garage. Looking at it, one would think it's a pile of trash, but in reality, it's a treasure trove of medical supplies worth thousands of dollars if calculated at survival rates. Compared to jostling at Walmart to buy discounted household items, leisurely strolling through Tractor Supply to pick up these items is a much wiser strategy. Medicine helps you survive wounds, but to have the strength to maintain that life, you need something more important: fuel for the body. And believe me, the next items at Tractor Supply will amaze you with their shelf life and nutritional value. We will move on to the next item right now. Don't take your eyes off the screen because this part will completely change the way you look at your wallet. If medicine helps you not die from wounds, then calories are what keep you from collapsing from exhaustion. In the survival community, there is an unwritten rule. After 30 days of crisis, the person with calories is the one who controls the situation. At that time, a gold bar wouldn't be worth a full meal. And this is when Tractor Supply becomes a real gold mine that no upscale supermarket like Whole Foods or Costco can compare to. The first dish in this group will make you exclaim, "Wow, powdered milk for calves." Sounds a bit strange, doesn't it? But just look at the ingredient list. This is a true calorie bomb. It is packed with vitamins, minerals, and concentrated protein designed to make a calf grow like crazy. In a food scarcity scenario, a bag of this milk can sustain your entire family for weeks. Compared to stocking up on expensive and quickly expiring powdered milk, the 20-kilogram bags of milk at Tractor Supply are a bargain both economically and nutritionally. I once tried to calculate the amount of protein in this bag is equivalent to hundreds of high-end canned meats. Just a small cup each day and you'll have enough energy to do heavy work. But remember, transfer it to airtight food containers and hide it well. You don't want anyone to see you eating cow food but being healthier than everyone around you. Next is corn and salt. During the year-end sales, people line up to buy 4K TVS, but I recommend you line up to buy corn. A 20 to 30 kilogram bag of corn here is so cheap that you would be shocked compared to the price of canned corn at Walmart. You can grind it into flour, cook porridge, or even use it to trap animals to improve your meal. And don't forget the huge blocks of salt for livestock. Salt is not just for seasoning. It is the only natural food preservative you can possess in large quantities without spending much. Without salt, you can't cure meat. You can't preserve food through the winter. A block of rock salt from Tractor Supply can last for an entire year. You see, the mindset of a true prepper is to see opportunities where others overlook them. If you're nodding along with this knowledge, generously give me a like and hit subscribe. We are together building a community of the most well-prepared individuals. Why do these things need to be on the must-hide list? Because they represent enduring strength. When others have finished the last instant noodles, you are still lighting a fire to cook corn porridge and drink protein milk. That's when envy reaches its peak. I have an acquaintance who always keeps at least 5 bags of corn in the cellar. He said corn is not just food, it is currency. And he is right. In history, the most basic things always become the standard when paper money is just trash. Only with sustenance can one uphold righteousness, only with calories can one have the strength to act. But when machinery breaks down or barriers are breached, human strength alone is not enough. You need tools to maintain your infrastructure. Let's move on to the next part where we talk about the wizards in the post-apocalyptic world. The mechanical items at Tractor Supply will make you irreplaceable. We often have the illusion that in a crisis, whoever has the most cash or gold bars will be the king. But historical reality has proven the opposite. True power belongs to those who can repair and maintain. When a storm sweeps through or the supply chain breaks down, your credit card is just a useless piece of plastic if the roof is leaking or the fence is down. That's why you need to head straight to the mechanical supplies section of Tractor Supply to pick up items that ordinary people consider trash, but preppers call pure gold. The first dish is baling wire. This is a type of extremely flexible steel wire that farmers often use to tie bales of hay. Believe me, it's the duct tape for all kinds of machinery and construction. You can use it to reinforce fences, create traps, or even temporarily patch a car's suspension. I once saw a friend use this wire to secure a fallen exhaust pipe right in the middle of the forest. It was so heat-resistant and durable that he forgot all about needing to replace it. Compared to the expensive multi-tools at Home Depot or Lowe's, a huge roll of baling wire at Tractor Supply is much cheaper but has limitless applications. Next is tarp. Why hide the tarp? Because when a window is broken or a roof is damaged by a natural disaster, a high-quality tarp from Tractor Supply is the line between sleeping dry or being soaked in the cold. The tarps here are usually thicker and have much better UV resistance than the flimsy tarps you buy at dollar stores. You can use it to collect rainwater, make a temporary shelter, or shield your food treasures from curious eyes. Do you see? The survival strategy is to recognize the value of the most ordinary things. If you like this practical approach, don't forget to like and subscribe. We still have some secret weapons behind to help you stay warm and light up the darkness. The reason you have to hide these items is because the person who can fix everything will be the first one sought after. If the neighbors find out you have a stash of wire and tarps, they'll come asking for help, and then your stockpile will vanish with your enthusiasm. In the world of Gone in a Flash, keep your ability to self-repair quietly. Fixing the shelter is good, but if you don't have warmth and light, your spirit will collapse very quickly. Let's move on to the next group where we face the darkness and the cold. Don't let yourself freeze when everything goes dark. Here, everything starts to revert to something very primitive. Not the internet, not electricity, not convenience, but fire. Without fire, almost everything else you prepare becomes worthless. First, let's talk about propane. At Tractor Supply, refilling propane is often much cheaper and faster than exchanging tanks at convenience stores or gas stations. But the important thing is not the price, but the storage capacity. A few propane tanks hidden deep in the basement can help you cook and heat for months. And don't forget the magnesium rods or the manual fire starting tools. Why? Because a lighter can run out, matches can get wet, but a quality magnesium bar from the camping section of Tractor Supply can create thousands of sparks in any weather conditions. It is the kind of insurance you hope you never have to use, but if needed, it will save your life. There's one more thing, firewood. It sounds ridiculous, doesn't it? Who would hide firewood? But trust me, when people start chopping down trees in the park to keep warm, those bags of dry, long-burning firewood you bought at Tractor Supply will be invaluable. Have you ever tried starting a fire in harsh conditions? If you haven't, get ready right now. And don't forget to hit like if you also agree that energy is the key to freedom. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the most practical survival tips I've gathered over the years. The trap of the modern world is making us too dependent on a switch on the wall. When that switch no longer works, whoever can generate their own heat becomes the master of the game. But remember the OPSEC principle. Don't let kitchen smoke or bright light from windows reveal your location. Use energy discreetly and wisely. Stay warm, eat well, but survival has hidden aspects that few dare to mention. The things that when lacking will make your life extremely miserable in just a few days. We will move on to the final group, the things that 99% of people will overlook. You will be surprised. We have gone through medicine, food, and even fire, but believe me, there are things you see every day at Tractor Supply, even walk past them dozens of times without a second thought. And then when it appears, you'll have to slap your thigh and say to yourself, "Oh my God, why didn't I pick up a few?" Back then, this is the group of items that creates the difference between someone who is just trying to survive and someone who is mastering their life. First is something very basic, a 5-gallon plastic bucket and a gamma lid. It may sound less fancy than those high-end storage boxes at IKEA or Home Depot, right? But the Gamma Lid is a revolution. It transforms a regular plastic container into a perfect airtight storage box. You can store corn, rice, or important documents without worrying about pests or mold. I have a memorable experience of once storing dry goods in a regular container, and after just a light flood, everything turned into a pile of trash. Since then, I always have a stack of Gamma Lids hidden in the warehouse. It is the cheapest insurance for the pile of calories we just talked about in the previous section. And the last item in this group, chainsaw. Why? When a large tree falls across the road after a storm, or when you need to clear debris to escape the gas-powered chainsaw from Tractor Supply, will be your savior. Don't wait until the electronics stores run out of stock to go buy one. And don't buy the overly expensive ones just for display. A durable, easy-to-repair saw is all you need. You see, sometimes the simplest things are the most important. If you like these unusual yet practical perspectives, don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. You are the motivation for me to continue illuminating the overlooked corners of the prepper community. What is the secret here? The smallest thing keeps everything running. A tight lid keeps you from going hungry. A saw helps you clear a path. They are not glamorous, but they are indispensable links. And most importantly, hide them away. Don't let the neighbors borrow them and then forget to return them when you need them the most. We have the list, we have the security mindset. But there is one truth, it's a bit hard to swallow and might make you feel a bit uncomfortable. But if you don't speak up, all your preparations might go to waste. Let's move on to the most important part of today's video. Don't take your eyes off it. Listen, we've gone through a long list of golden items at Tractor Supply. But now it's time for us to face an extremely unpleasant truth, something that could render all your stocking efforts meaningless overnight. Do you think having these 15 items is enough to keep you safe? Mistake. The truth is, in a crisis, the issue is not what you actually have in stock, but what others think you have. Think about it. If you prepare too perfectly, if you look too relaxed while the whole neighborhood is in a frenzy due to hunger, you have inadvertently put a target on your back. A house that is still lit up, still has the fragrant smell of food amidst a dark neighborhood is an invitation for desperation from the outside. If you are too ostentatious, you become a target. But if you appear too weak, you can also become a victim. The art of a true prepper does not lie in how many bags of corn or antibiotics you own, but in blending in with the crowd. You have to learn how to own everything while looking like you own nothing. Don't let your preparation become the reason you get into danger. Hide your belongings, hide your knowledge, and hide your peace of mind. That is the highest level of survival. If this truth makes you reconsider how you are preparing, please leave a comment below. We need to discuss this. And don't forget to subscribe to delve deeper with me into survival strategies that no one tells you about. So after you have the gear and the mindset, what do you need to do next tomorrow? Let me summarize the roadmap for you in the conclusion right after this. So we have gone through the list of 15 hidden items at Tractor Supply and, more importantly, the OPSEC mindset. Remember, preparation is not to instill fear, but to gain freedom when the world around us spirals out of control. Your next step is not to rush out to the store and frantically gather everything. Start quietly. Each week, pick up a little, break it down, label it, and find the most hidden corners of the house to store it. Survival is a marathon, not a sprint. I would really like to know your perspective. Among the 15 items, which one surprised you the most? Or do you have any other secret weapons from agricultural supply stores that I haven't mentioned? Please leave your comments below. I will read and discuss them with you. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to share it with your friends in the next videos.